Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study nursing fundamentals effectively. Begin by grasping core concepts such as patient safety, infection control, and basic hygiene. It's crucial to build a strong foundation in anatomy, physiology, and essential pharmacology. Develop your critical thinking early, as it's vital for applying knowledge in clinical settings. This approach ensures you understand the why behind nursing interventions, setting you up for success. To maximize your learning, employ active recall by quizzing yourself frequently. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify memory. Joining a study group can provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts through discussion. Regularly practicing with NCLEX-style questions is also essential to familiarize yourself with the exam format and improve your test-taking strategies. It's vital to bridge the gap between classroom theory and practical application. Actively seek to connect what you learn in textbooks to real patient scenarios you might encounter. Spend ample time practicing skills in the lab, ensuring you feel confident and competent before clinical rotations. Embrace every opportunity for hands-on experience and observation, as these moments are invaluable for developing your clinical judgment and nursing intuition. Remember, taking care of yourself is just as important as studying. Prioritize self-care activities to prevent burnout and maintain your well-being throughout your demanding nursing program. Utilize reputable nursing textbooks, peer-reviewed journals, and trusted online resources to supplement your learning. And for a practical tip, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.